Hello and welcome to our channel. This dish is inspired from Cook with Comali and tried making it. It's Kani'S recipe she won for the day, so I wanted to try this recipe and it turned out so good. She did a very great job. So today I'm making stuffed bread jamun with Rabdi. So let's get started. First I am making Rabdi. Take a pan, add 500 ml full fat milk. Now bring it to boil. When milk starts boiling, simmer it on low flame. Layer of malai will form on the top. With the help of spatula, keep collecting the malai on the sides of the pan. Stir the milk in between to avoid the burning. Add 1 cup of sugar. Add 1 cup condensed milk. Mix well. To this I am adding half teaspoon cardamom powder. Now add finely sliced or chopped almonds. Then add half teaspoon saffron. Cook till the milk reduces to more than half. Scrap all the malai from the sides of the pan and put it back into the rabdi. Let it simmer for another 10 minutes on low flame or until it's reduced to 1/4 the quantity. Take it off the stove, cool it and keep aside. And now making sugar syrup. Add 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar. Mix both ingredients in a saucepan. Bring it to boil. Add half teaspoon cardamom powder. Stirring occasionally and let it boil for 10 minutes. Finally add few drops of rose water and then switch off the flame and keep aside. And now take 6 to 7 slices of bread and trim the edges. Cut into squares and grind it to a crumbs. Transfer this into a bowl. Now gradually add warm milk to knead the dough of breadcrumbs. Make it soft and smooth dough. Make small balls out of it. Make sure there are no cracks on balls. Flatten and stuff with some chopped almonds and pistachios. Close it again and make a balls and keep aside. Now heat the oil or ghee on low flame. When it is moderately hot, fry the jamuns on low flame, stirring in between. Fry till the balls turn golden brown. Immediately drop the hot jamuns into hot sugar syrup. Boil the sugar syrup for a minute after you add fried jamuns. Cover the lid and rest for 10 minutes. Now take a serving plate, pour rabdi on it. Place the soaked jamuns on rabdi. And sprinkle with some finely chopped almonds and pistachios. Serve immediately. Instant bread gulab jamun in rabdi is going to be an easy version for a quick fix dessert. Soft jamuns soaked in rich and creamy rabdi is surely one best way to treat your sweet tooth. If you try this recipe, let me know what you think. Leave a comment below and don't forget to snap a pic and tag it on my Instagram page shimis.kitchen. See you in our next video. Till then, take care and have a nice day.